What's up YouTube, it's Chef G Money aka Gavin Tyree, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be making funfetti cupcakes. So I actually have a school project due tomorrow morning. So it is currently 9:47 at night and we are making cupcakes. Yeah. But before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to comment down below what you guys would like to see me cook more and any specific recipes y'all would like to see. But without further ado, let's get into this video. So starting off, I have to grab my mixer, which I already have. Yeah, y'all can't see me down here, but I have my mixer here. I got a whole mixer, and I don't know how I'm gonna work my like angles and stuff because I have a new light, which is pretty bright, which is also like the main reason why it is super duper bright. See, but I think I'm just move angles because this is also a new angle. I normally am like over here, but that's neither here nor there. I have my mixer, I have my ingredients behind me, so I'm gonna figure out what I want to do for this angle and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, y'all, so we changed angles and I actually kind of like this a lot better. I want to kind of turn it a little bit just so y'all can see it. But anyways, so now we are about to get started. So I have my funfetti cake mix here. I have the funfetti dressing with the sprinkles on top. Got my foil. I got my cupcake. I'm not sure what you call these, but like the little like cupcake things, the little holders for them. And then I have my foil pan, just so I'll be able to store them, but I do have a like cupcake pan, you know? So I'm gonna go exactly by the instructions so that I do not mess these up. I already got my oven preheated at 350 like the instructions said. So step one is set the oven to 350, which I already did, and now I'm about to combine the cake mix, water, oil, eggs in a large bowl and mix until moistened, and beat the mixture on speed for 2 minutes, or beat the mixture on medium speed for 2 minutes, and then pour the batter into the pan. So before I even do all of that, I want to go ahead and prep my pan and put my little cupcake things in there. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, and I now have them all not labeled, but I have all of the little like cupcake holders put in there. This can only hold 12, so I'm gonna only be able to make 12 at a time, but I'll have like a total of 19 at the end. So now I'm gonna put all of these to the side. So I'm gonna leave those over there. Now I'm moving forward. I'm gonna bring y'all a little bit closer so that y'all can see me doing this. Y'all can really get into it. So now back to step 2, which is combining the cake mix, water, oil, eggs in a large bowl. So I need 1 cup of water. So let me grab my measuring cup. So I need about 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna put that to the side. So let's go ahead and open this. Water in there. Now I'm about to put my, and now I need a 1/2 cup of oil. So I'm just using regular canola oil. All right, got our oil in there. And now we need 3 whole eggs. So I have my eggs here. Alrighty, so I have everything in there. So now all I have to do is mix for about 2 minutes. So everything has been mixed, and now all I have to do is just pour batter into the pan. So I'm about to do that now. All right, so I picked up a little like scooper that you use for ice cream, and I'm gonna scoop that and use, I'll probably do probably 3 scoops, maybe 2, I don't know yet. I have to see after doing one of them, but I do have all of the little cake cupcake things there. Have my batter, have my sprinkles and icing, which that'll be the last thing we do. We don't have to worry about that right now. But yeah, I'm gonna just be scooping and doing all that, and I'm gonna just let y'all see. I'm gonna do a little bit of like music and B-roll though. My hand is killing. Okay, I've gotten them done, but I think I need to top off like this one. That's like right here. I don't know why, but it just looks so little. But I have them filled now, and I'm about to put these ones in the oven and let them cook for, it says let them cook for, I'm not sure what inch this is. Let me see if it's on the bottom. It doesn't say. So I'm gonna just let it cook for about 34 minutes, or actually I'm gonna do 12 minutes for 20 minutes. We're just gonna do 20 minutes in there, okay? We'll be back. All right, y'all, so it is currently 10:52. It is currently 10:52, and the first batch of cupcakes are done. I'm trying to get a little thumbnail, but the first batch are done. They look so good. And I can't ice them just yet, so I'm about to put them in the microwave to cool down. I'm not gonna set in the microwave, but I'm gonna put them in the microwave to cool down. And I'm about to start the second batch so I can make a full batch. But in the morning, I'm gonna have to go to my grocery store and get another pan, like another oil pan, because I have to, that's not enough to hold the ones that I do need. So that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Hey, coma hanging on my neck. The bracelet match is a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went.
All right, y'all. So I finished cooking all of the cupcakes, and I'm actually about to put them in the microwave. And I will be putting all of the frosting and everything on in the morning, just because they have to cool down, and I don't want to rush them at all. So.
Hits, now you brave, what? You niggas better behave, what? All that pumping up your chest.